Huh? Got him. Lights out, boys. Lights out. I'm surprised they didn't bite out there, dude. We killed them out there. Our biggest bites came like towards like the duck blind and that 2 sticks in like this region. And that's why. Feels like a nice. Can't tell. It's too far away. Yeah. Same thing we've been catching. I told you, the girls like the pink. I think I caught her last time. She got a spot on her. All my fish got spots. Oh. No, it's not cool.
Ooh, look at that line take off.
Line zinger. Told you they're gonna be dangerous, man.
Another small one. Oh, yeah, small.
Maybe they're moving in. Maybe these are new fish. This one's kind of this one doesn't have that like dark grass look. It has like a,
yeah,
you know, like he's
traditional bass look.
Yeah, like.
And none of mine have had.
And he's a little chunky.
Yeah, none of mine have had fish stars in their mouth either.
Got him. That's a good one. Nope. Yep. It's a good one.
Oh, we got biggest fish now.
No.
Oh, it's giant, dude.
You just saw it. Right off the end of the dock. I mean, the end of the piling. Oh, you got my bait in.
Wow. They're gonna spawn in the live well.
Got him. Oh, we're already out in the water. You ain't gotta throw it that far. I said we're already way out in the water. Got him. I don't know. Probably. Oh. Looking for the snakeheads and the bastard jumped on. So it won't get hung up in grass, but it didn't even pull it through the plastic. There's one. Nah. Ooh, he's in the mouth good. That's a good one. He's peeing. Oh, you gonna eat some snacks? Eat the chicken. I got snacks. I got like a fruit cup and chips. Yeah, eat that. Oh, there he is. Decent. What we've got. Nice fighter. I mean, he's healthy. I mean, they're healthy. They're not fat, but they're...
Got more fish.
$500. Winner takes all. Oh, there's one. Uh-oh. Oh, don't break any more rods. 25. Don't break any rods.
25, we can go home now.
Don't break any rods.
We can go home now.
Chilling.
Wait for the mate.
There he is. Yeah. Same. Same. Spotty. A lot of spots. Just the way it splashes.
All the little snakes there.
Got him. Nope. Okay. You're just out in the grass. 80. It's destruction. There's one. No.
Oh, he's giving me away.
Huh? Uh-oh. Where? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. You said there's a...
Yeah. It's coming hot. That's not. Coming in hot.
Oh! You see that? Ooh. Thicky thick. Oh, that's him. They mean. They mean. They mean. Those males are mean. They ain't giants, but they mean. They are mean. For a little scrappy guy, oh my goodness. I'm gonna say that's a mean male right there.
They got more birds, son. He said, why you interrupting my thing? Look at the ticket.
I thought you were clicking it as I was looking.
I didn't click it.
No, I could do it. I was just looking. I thought you did. I want to make sure I don't double click.
I ignored it.
I didn't want to double click it. Thanks. That's two on the on the she's still alive a little bit. There's 2 on the Tequila Sunrise. Old Strike King, Shaw Grigsby series. Trying to salvage her. I'm not gonna put any more of these on. I only got like 2 left to my name. They don't make these anymore. I'm sure you can find this color, but this one's just some old junk I had in my box. So I'm gonna use these. Used to get bit on them. What we need to get is a methylate lizard. That's what we need, dog. I don't know. Oh, there's another one. Nah. Man, they love the meanness of them. Nah.
16.
Man, maybe 50. Yeah, decent. No, I'm good. Heavy, 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 heavy.
Yeah. Start slow.
Finish strong. Oh my goodness, that was a snake. Did you see that? There he is. No? That's a 4. That's a chunk. Had a blade. They have a bloody tail, but it had a red tail. Huh? It had a red tail. It had red on it. Chewed up. That's one. That's a decent one. I got him. That's good. Yeah, I got him. He was just a runner. No, he was running out deep.
I got you back too. Yeah, that's the one I lost. Jumped me. Bloody tail, red eyes. It's about that time, Doc.
I'm just gonna say, there he is, Lou. There he is, Lou.
That bird's like, dude, what the heck are you doing? Oh, he's not going anywhere. Dang, see? It's a good fish.
Ooh, that one's beat up. You say? Insane, dog.
I don't know, the fishing here has been pretty accurate.
There's one.
I don't know how you feel.
Like that.
Ready?
Feel the hit, and then I watch my line move, and then I set the hook because I feel like they're grabbing like the body and not getting it in their mouth. I don't set the hook till I see my line. Like right now, I got a bite. See, he's on it. Oh, no. But I was trying to explain something, and I got excited. Well, I mean, it's good, but
17. 16 now.
16.
He's got some meat.
But I was trying to explain it. Like I say, I watch him bite it, and then I see it run, and then I set the hook. But I got excited on the hook side because I wasn't sure if I let it sit there too long. So I was like, I'm gonna whoop him. It's like in the bottom of his tongue. I can't. It's a bad angle. I need like.
You need pliers?
I need to get my pliers out.
Corona.
Thanks. To the bad angle to get my finger in there.
Oh.
Right there. Oh, here's a needlefish hitting me. Oh, he's on it. There he is. I'm good. I'm good. Come. There shouldn't be no scum out here.
No, this spot looks pretty healthy.
Yeah, just dragging the bottom. I got some scum, like the black scum. Got him that time. You ain't going nowhere.